thought that was a hair dryer. What are you doing?
It is a hair dryer.
You drying the hair of the door?
Yeah. And we just got the hair dryer. It's a good thing I just got I had a hair dryer, but...
So what are you doing?
I'm hoping that this will be enough to unfreeze the door so that we can get out.
We're stuck inside because the wind and moisture blowing from the east, which is directly at this side of the RV, has sealed the door shut.
Just like the car.
Yeah, if you live in the north, then you know what it's like to walk out in the deep of winter and try and open a car door. It's kind of like what it's like right now. No wind blowing right now, so it's just the iced up edges around the door that is kind of sealed it closed to the RV. So just running the hair dryer along the seams of the door. We tried yelling at our neighbors across the street to come open the door, but they didn't answer.
I don't even know if they'd been able to get the door open either.
I'm just joking. We're out in the middle of the desert. There is no neighbors across the street.
Well, I'm just saying, if there had been...
Coyotes and deers, maybe they can come and open the door for us.
Sure.
So the water tank stopped flowing last night after all that we did to try and seal everything up. So
it did really good until right before you got up.
2 a.m. I got up and there was no running water, but you opened the taps.
Got it back.
And got it back flowing.
Yep.
And then by the time I woke up around 5,
yeah,
there was no water again. So got to get outside and double check and probably melt some of the ice around the water, see what's going on.
Yeah, especially our biggest concern is the pump, because it's not ours and it's the only pump that we have.
It's all on the utility trailer.
Like, that is like solid.
Watch it, don't knock it off the hinges. Oh, there we go. Freedom! Oh, it's cold.
Oh, there's that water that we got.
Okay.
All right.
Code out. Okay, doors
That
open.
worked.